Alright guys, what is up? So actually, this is gonna be a long time until I figure out how to stream. Cause I was thinking for the giveaway. So since it's like such a small, like since I only have 5 subscribers. Oh wait, hold up, stupid. Why are you interrupting my video, kid? Fodder. Alright. So, since I only have 5 subscribers, for now, I'm gonna go up to 15. Then, y'all are gonna have to join my Discord to join the giveaway. Bro! I swear. Bro! This kid, he's spamming Fire Dragon. This kid does no damage. Can you stop spamming? You're literally trash. You're so bad. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill this kid. You see how trash this kid is? He's spamming Fire Dragon! Burn in hell, kid. Go die, kill yourself. No one loves you, adopted kid. Oh my god. Alright, finally. Alright, so for the giveaways, probably just gonna have y'all enter y'all Roblox username or either join my Discord. At 15 subscribers, y'all are gonna have to join my giveaway. I mean my Discord to be in the giveaway. Please tell me the kid is dead. Okay, he is. Alright, so yeah, because it's not gonna be fun typing or looking at 15 comments and just typing a username. But if y'all join the Discord and y'all just enter the giveaway, that's gonna be so much easier. So I was thinking that we could do that if that's a good idea to y'all. But yeah. That's pretty much it. But yeah, there's 3 lucky arrows I'm gonna give away, but yeah. So I guess that's it for the video. I guess I could do like a showcase for a bunch of stuff like sound breathing, BROLY, GOKU BLACK, and One for All. Alright, so first there goes sound breathing. Now I have legendary blaster BROLY, but not on this account. It's on my alt. So honestly, that does a very good amount. I'm gonna say roughly 30k. But yeah, look, this does only 5k, but that's not when I get crit. Second form step. Oh my god, holy bro! I didn't even aim that far. What? Second form step, and then when I try to aim it. Second form step. What? Oh my god. But it doesn't wanna. Okay, so 1,700. That's fodder. Then third form resonance. Why is everything as hard to see the damage it makes? F449 crit, bro. I swear, if this kid was trying to hit me, he's dead. Alright. Well, this is pretty much sound breathing showcase. Warning from the future, GOKU BLACK. Honestly, it is the worst spec you can get from a wreck arrow, I believe. Or no, Beerus is the worst spec I think that you could get from a wreck arrow. But honestly, in my opinion, warning from the future, GOKU BLACK is not bad. Look. 10 or 9k crit. rounding up. I mean down. Stupid! Oh my god. Did that kid just ask for free? No, kid. Literally being such a pain. Why would I give you free money? That kid is an idiot. Oh no, that did like 18k. 18.6. What are you doing, kid? No, kid. No, but wait. Bro, I swear, if it's a kid that's buying fire drag, show me all your abilities, kid. Use your stance. That's obviously sound breathing. If I have it, I'm gonna know it's sound breathing. What? Okay, Itorio. Either Shishui or Itorio Wado Ichimonji. What the? Wait! What was that last one? Again? Oh. Oh, my bad, bro. Trump card. Oh. Well, you know what? I'm okay. Well, do you have Discord? Discord. Alright. My bad, bro. I really am sorry I didn't. No! Oh my god. Could you sub to my what? Yeah. If you want. I don't know. He's being annoying. He didn't even let me. Oh, no, kid, kill yourself. No. You're gonna scam, bro. Why couldn't he just be like, oh yeah, I'll join your YouTube and Discord. I do giveaways. Oh, bad. No! Oh my god, I hate this kid. Do you see? What the? What? What? Wait, where did I go? This is new. I never. Wait. Wait, you can go inside of the bridge? Wait, hold up. No, you can't. No, you can't. You can't go in under the bridge, bro. What? Oh, you could go under the map, though. Oh, whoa. I would have given that kid money if he just joined YouTube, my YouTube and Discord. No. And plus, he was kind of rushing me, and that's also something I don't like. And he was like, "Give it first, though." So he was rushing me, which that's also something like, no, there's no way in hell I'm gonna give you money if you rush me, bro. Like, I'm the one giving you something. You're not gonna rush me to give it to you. It's not how things work, bro. Alright, so back to showcasing Warning from the Future Goku Black. So it showed air shockwave cannon. I pretty much showed everything, but like in PvP I didn't get to show it good. Like, this is Darkness Edge, Stun. This kid trolled. He trolled. This kid trolled. What can you buy with 4,001? Or 4,111? I don't know, bro. That's pretty much God Split Cut. Super Black Kamehameha is actually pretty nice. It did most of the damage to that dummy. But the AoE is honestly, like, let's see the range real quick. See if it can reach the first dummy. But yeah, but look, Super Saiyan 2 gives HP boost. Just a little bit though, and damage boost. Woo! Oh, reached the first dummy. So it's honestly, it's not bad in my opinion. Now I'm gonna show BROLY and One for All. Alright, so first we got BROLY. Trap Shooter is honestly really good, in my opinion. But see, that did 20k. Y'all could rewatch and put it in slow-mo. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna say 20k. Then One for All Prime after BROLY. Eraser Blow. Power Gel. Omega Blaster. That was bad. That was so bad. But it's not Legendary Blaster, so that explains it. I could do like 12k crit with that when I have a Legendary Blaster. But yeah, it's pretty good. And then Legendary OFA and OFA, and we're done. Alright, look here. Texas Smash. Oklahoma Smash. Carolina Smash. United States of Smash. And finally, Muscle Farm. HP boost, damage boost, and honestly, I really do like Muscle Form. Look at the speed we get. Look at that speed. That's honestly really fast. But Let's just go up. I really don't want to fail this jump. Oh, yes, sir. Alright, look at how fast we go. And the cooldown on it is pretty low, considering how long we get to use it, and then when it goes off, it's pretty good. Like, the cooldown thing is, like, okay, so it goes on for 11 seconds, so I only have to wait 9 seconds. Or no, not even 9 seconds, I would say 7 seconds. Oh, someone's toxic at boss. Who is that? Who is that, bro? Okay, I'm gonna be Osh. Let's do this right here. Sneak attack on, bro. Okay. Oh no, you wanna fight, bozo? Oh, okay. Yeah, run. You're trash. 3v1 me. Don't care. You're bad. You're literally dog water. Time to get out. Oh no! The cooldown. That cooldown. That was horrible. Oh. He's got fire drag out. This is bad. Woo! No. Holy hell. And that kid is still going. Oh my god, please. Whoa! Please don't be this way, no. Oh my god, if only I had insect breathing, this kid would get fodderized. Oh my god! Just die! Why are you so powerful? I mean, probably because I'm using LB BROLY and I mean, not LB BROLY, it's not even Legendary Blaster! Okay, I don't care. Oh, I hate life. I don't care, I just hate life. Oh my god, dude, if I could just get insect right now, but I don't want to, I'm too lazy. Dude, but, okay, I don't even care, I'm getting Legendary Blaster BROLY. Who cares? I'm getting it. Okay, boom, it's a waste of money, because I already have 2 of them. Fragile, resilient, noble, strong, muscular, weak, and weak. Come on. Huh. Tactician, not bad. I mean, no, it's actually horrible. Dude, I just won Blaster! Why can't the game give me it? It's not even that rare. Oh my god. What? Okay. Whoa, that's a lot of money. Tank, weak, sensitive, slim, weak, sensitive, weak, strong, fragile. Just let me get it so I can crush this kid. Honestly, they should make it so you get Uchiha Eyeball out of this. But it's still, never mind, it's a spec skill, so no. I honestly hate life right now. So much. We just got rid of a legendary. I did that another time on a video, and I swear I'm not doing that for content. Literally. I swear I'm not doing that for content. I swear to God. Oh my God. Dude, come on. Please, no. Oh. Just don't. Ah, it's a waste of millions already. Because of me, I hate life. I wasted so much. Just.
Okay.
Thank God. I would have actually just. I would have just ended the video right there. Oh my God, thank God. Yes, sir. Now we're coming back. That kid is so dead. I know what, bosses, let's go, let's go, let's go. If he beats me again, I don't care if I look like a bum, trash, or bozo. I'm using OFA. That's just the way things are gonna be. Is that the sped kid? What the? Oh, he went and Suke. I'm guessing the leeches are getting fodder at the end. Kid, what's the point in that? I'm just gonna. What? Where did you go? Oh, you're dead. Haha. So there's some leechers over there. Leeching off of that kid. He sees my username. He sees it. Did they see me? Did they see me? Hey, what's with that speed though, bro? Okay. Should be enough for all three of them. Should be enough damage, I'm hoping. Okay. Now we just gotta deal with the speed toxic kid. I hate. Dude, you're spamming OFA! You're horrible! You're trash. I'm spamming OFA then. You're spamming it? I spam it too. Just watch, buddy. Just watch, kid. Just watch. Oh, you're not gonna like me now. Oh, hell no. And if he kills me, I'm gonna end the video again. I'm just gonna end the video and I'm gonna hate life forever. This kid literally spams OFA. That's how bad he is. If he's gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. Meaning I'm not gonna be bad. Because he's doing it too. So I have a right. Oh, but man, he's so dead. If I get injured MS on him. Oh, you're dead too, buddy. The way. Doom, boom, doom, do, 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 do. What are you doing? You can't run from me. And I'm in muscle form. Never mind, you can't, 'cause you're already so far ahead of me. I mean, can. You're bad, kid. You're bad. You're bad. You're so free, freer than free. Little sped monkey key. Free, freer than free. And you're gonna spin it again, 'cause you're so bad. Just die and burn in hell. Little weak trash kid. This is why you're bad and you're adopted. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Another sped kid spamming OFA. Just great. This is why you're dead. But just take a moment to admire this six-pack, bro. This is beautiful. Bandage and Indra MS and bamboo hat and Gecko Moria and Gunby. Oh shoot, bro, this video has been going on way too long. Probably just gonna end it and foderize these kids. Alright, bye guys. Have a nice day. Peace. And by the way, hold up, before I end the video, please enter your username so I can do the giveaway. Enter your Roblox usernames and type the game you want me to do the giveaway for. Simple. That's all you gotta do. Bye guys. Have a nice day. Peace. Y'all don't have to, but it would really help me if y'all liked and subscribed. It would also help y'all if y'all subscribed, because I do giveaways when y'all subscribe. And also, liking will just help me out a lot, and turning on the notification bell will also help you, because I post content daily. Most of the time, I'll post content daily. So, yeah.